see if there's any hidden mystery tips.
Let's go get this order. God, it is fucking windy, dude. I don't want to get hit by a car. These sodas are good. I love these sodas. These things are so good. God, it is windy out there, man. Yo, on the running here, dude. Use them authentic joints too. Okay. These big D's any day. Okay. Okay.